Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of paying for expensive MacBooks but love the clean, elegant look of macOS? Good news. In 2026, Linux has never been closer to macOS than ever before. Today I'm showing you the best Linux distributions that look and feel like macOS right out of the box, with almost no complicated tweaking needed. Whether you're a macOS refugee or just love the aesthetic, these are the top ones to try. Let's dive in. Here's my top 5 list for 2026. Starting strong is Lingmo OS, a lightweight and elegant Debian based distribution with its custom Lingmo UI desktop that delivers a smooth, modern Mac OS inspired experience. It features clean interfaces, fluid animations, a beautiful dock, and efficient performance, making it especially great for older hardware while giving that premium Apple like feel without the heavy resource usage. Next at number 4 is Deepin OS. This one is absolutely gorgeous with stunning translucent effects, smooth animations, a refined centered dock, and a control center that feels very Apple-like. If you care about beauty and modern design, Deepin remains one of the most visually impressive Linux desktops in 2026. Number 3 is Zorin OS Pro. Zorin OS is perfect for beginners because it has a built-in layout switcher. Literally, with one click, your desktop turns into full macOS mode with center dock, top bar, and everything else. The Pro version unlocks the complete experience and it's great for both Windows and Mac switchers. Coming in at number 2 is Pear OS, one of the closest visual clones right now. Revived in 2026 and based on Arch Linux with heavily customized KDE Plasma, it goes for pixel-perfect macOS looks, including beautiful blur effects, launchpad-style app grid, smooth animations, icons, and more. It's stunning for users who want maximum visual similarity, though it can be slightly more advanced to install. And the winner for 2026 is Elementary OS. This distro doesn't just look like macOS, it feels like it. The Pantheon desktop is incredibly polished with perfect gestures, a minimal top panel, dock, and thoughtful user experience. It's stable, based on Ubuntu LTS, beginner friendly, and many people say it's the closest thing to actually using Mac OS on Linux. This is my personal daily driver recommendation for most people. Optionally, if you want something lighter with a clean top panel and dock, Ubuntu Baji is worth checking out as a solid alternative with its Raven sidebar that works like the macOS notification center. So which one should you choose? If you want a lightweight, modern macOS clone, go with Lingmo OS. For the most beautiful visuals, choose Deepin or Pear OS. If you want the easiest for beginners, pick Zorin OS Pro. And for the best overall polished experience, Elementary OS is the top choice. Pro tip, always test them using a live USB first. All of these are completely free except Zorin Pro, which is optional. If you're thinking of switching from macOS to Linux, 2026 is honestly the best time to do it. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to try first. Lingmo OS, Pear OS, Elementary OS, or something else. Smash that like button if you want more Linux versus macOS content and subscribe for weekly tech videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.